time to go on an adventure. Come with me. Oh no! The tunnel is blocked by rocks. We need some help.
Hello, I'm Roadheader. I'll help crush rocks in the tunnel.
Thank you. That would be great.
You better watch out, because there will be some explosions. There are still stones left in it. We have to destroy them one more time.
Cool! The rocks are gone from the tunnel. Just a little more work needed. And now we need to fix the road.
Hi, I am Dump Truck. Now I am loading sand to fix the road inside the tunnel. I'm ready to help. I'm here with sand to fill the holes in the road. The hole is filled with sand. My job is done.
Thank you, Dump Truck. You did a great job.
Hi, I'm Cement Truck. Now it's my turn to pour in concrete on the road. Perfect!
It's almost done! I am Roller. I'll compact the asphalt. Alright guys, everything's good to go. The tunnel is open again, and we can totally pass through.
Thank you all. You guys are awesome. Let's continue the adventure. Oh my God! What happened to you, ambulance? I fell and got stuck in a sinkhole. Okay, hang in there. I'll ask for help.
I am a tow truck, ready to help anyone!
Oh, finally! This is the tow truck we've been waiting for!
Of course! I'll help you, ambulance! Hold on!
Thank you for helping me. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.